Hello everyone, with this video we will demonstrate how to get apps on full screen in Samsung Galaxy S9. This feature lets you choose which app you want to use in the full screen ratio. To do so, swipe up on the home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Display. Scroll and tap on Full Screen Apps. A list of apps will appear along with their switches. Please note, some apps may not support this feature. Tap on All Apps and select Configurable Apps. Select the apps by tapping on their switches. Now let's see difference between both the scenarios. That is, when Full Screen Apps feature is applied and when Full Screen Apps feature is not applied. The right app is with Full Screen Apps feature applied, while the left app is without Full Screen Apps feature applied. So, this is how we can get apps on full screen in Samsung Galaxy S9. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.